You know long bling a soldier man for come home. You know how long me I wonder if him dead in the war. I walk and tell Pure Life on the app. That's why she drop her all of her hairstyle him. She have to pick up for World Dog after she don't want World Dog come tell her the truth about foreign and how she has survived and I pick them. Eh? Me say bling a husband, bling a soldier man real like 25. Hi Shebe, shout out from Renee in Florida. Renee in Florida? Which Renee that in Florida? I wonder if you take World Dog. I wonder if in a Yanique life to girl. Hey, me not trust no Floridian, you know. Me not trust no Floridian right, you know. What you say? World Dog link you with Yanique money? Answer quick and fast. Huh? Cause right you know me on 50 cylinder. Yeah, that thing say me out. No, I'm from Mobile. Alright, you get way. You get way. You hear? Goody, you get way. You know nobody at Florida will take World Dog and your mouth Yanique money? Just tell me. Anybody with their Floridian, tell me. Shebada, my favorite TikToker. You melt my heart.
You for going now?
Tonight. You melt my heart. That is such a nice thing to say to me on the 4th of July. Yes, thank you. I love you so much. Hi from Dubai. Move your sock out self, Sadiki. You not even leave your community, but I from Dubai. You know airport? The last time you got airport a bull beer, you end up. Me no stylish. Me no stylish. Me no stylish, you know. Are you me know are at the store where they are Jamaica? Come me no want confuse my brain, you know. Come me no want confuse my brain, you know. So come here people. Oh now take it now. With the Shanta situation, when me tell you say Shanta a big ratted woman. Would never believe me. So GX brother about to touch Shanta again cause the store they dead, you know. The store they dead. It just dead so. Me want if GX brother about to touch Shanta, I touch how Shanta used to. Our Shanta is the fingerprint office for Seaview. I just that me want to know. Me just want to know why a little girl like that can adult things be calling on her name. Me say me that kick up Shanta. Me that just kick matter as well when the rubbish truck come, me just throw Shanta in it. Honestly, when me tell you say Rosalie family and GX family, the two nastiest dirty germs them a Seaview, you don't believe me. You have to know about no business with them. And after not today Shanta link with man. And not today Shanta link with man. Shanta is her mother's daughter and her granddaughter. I don't know which part else to put it. And her great granddaughter. Barbara are gonna be different. Make we wait now. Barbara gonna turn out like Jakes. Love people things and cuss when him can't get it. So we don't know. You go like it's a praying home them, you know. You go like anybody in the family go church. You know, here so the father forgot to take her off a man. And you know, hear nothing about that, you know. You know, hear nothing about that, them bury that. Them bury that. You know, hear nothing about that. Little girl like that. When me tell you, say Shanta no business, Rosalie them don't business. Don't business. Shanta a girl where I go out for a morning and come in when a night. Like she have a 9 to 5. It's true. But when me talk, I say me too harsh. But I behavior not harsh, you know. Which part police report I go? Where police report I go? We have to just get a life as we not get it. We have to take, you see some people are the raw epiphany of ghetto, meaning in them speech like me, and you have some people where the real ghettos come like them. You don't believe me? You can't, rain come now? I rain that? Or my ears that give me problem.
That's the wind.
Oh, me I hear too much.
Bring down your ears.
Me I bring it down. Nobody not pay attention. All them do are depend the upper big while them children are stray. Now ask you no. That's why me no breed. And any girl where cuss girl attack say, where you can't breed. Breeding is not a given. In today day, breeding is not a given. Probably in our granny days, breeding was a given. Breeding is not a given. Just go have a child for company's sake. Oh, breeding is not a given. So when people are talking about say, oh, be fruitful and multiply, might as well somehow we not be fruitful. Might as well somehow we don't be fruitful. Because our multiplication them off. Yeah, our multiplication them are germs. It's true because we already are germs. And we don't know better. And we don't know how to set ourselves right. And that is the problem. The father and the mother are dog shit. Exactly. Carrie Bliss, that's why she adapt. Carrie Bliss, move your bigger than way. I hate the girl, you see, worse you're successful. I hate Dutty Carrie. I'm a one-time nail taking a people. I hate the bitch, you see, life take her a foreign. I say the girl, I enjoy herself, a Benz she drive. Benz a key, man. I say bad mind stand up in them every time I see her name. I got church and I go pray out this. I'm not supposed to make you get the best of me. Now, Sharon Bless, big up your nice, clean, stay good self. I'm a one-time nail take. Life at take on nicely foreign, man. She's just a drove and driven. Yeah. Me say to all hungry call Redans. Redans, so me tell you they with me, could I mind you and Anna cause on the easy for mine 5 bills a week I mind you. Me not talk US na pound. Our local event, Jamaican 5. That can do. That can do no. When me tell you they with me, you know one, they with me, no say Anna hold you down. Anna make you camp prosperity. And you go breed Anna. I hope the baby have your complexion. I wonder if Annie Jean strong. Backside nowadays, so there's something there now. I Star, leave that to them. Where you go with Mr. Keith? I used to say me there foreign and sell my mouth. Eh? Where you go with Mr. Keith? No, but I don't like me I tell people. They make like a gingeration here, you can't look on them at all. Then what are we World Dog have no gift to come in? I say I feel it for World Dog, you see. World Dog have no gift to come in. I say World Dog depend life for how long and him do all sort of shenanigans. And no gift now come in. I mean, know it hurt him undercover. World Dog ex-gang save them money for shoot for Yanique. Yeah? Him for go for true. Me can't, you know, me can't take. So sometimes me never say nothing, you know, because me like too much people on the app, you know. You know, me can't take this. Something that puzzle me. World Dog pack up already? Him pack up film share things them already, though, for move out. Cause the bank onto them. Because World Dog garage junkie. World Dog garage junkie. Like him not have to stretch far for your underpants. Me just saw one day if him pack up him things them already. July 5th is the big day. We'll keep July 5th moving. Yeah, all big party day, that thing say dancer keep later and super go cook. Me not telling a lie. Oh, Yanique match tomorrow. No, me I wonder if World Dog pack up already. Like him pack up film side of things, them film insurance. Then oh, the garage looks so like a storeroom. No, for sure. Me I wonder if the boy pack up and ready for leave. Cause World Dog depend the Appatel Pier lie. Me no know, but you can't see the shame in him though. He might try everything from the past, forget a blast. Yeah, me know. Me see him on the upper big zell. And I go like him happenings. I'll come up in the camera with him cripple cocky a wine. And you can't see nothing in pants front look like a nursing home. Me did one dash a back like ensure upon it. Yeah. Me did just one dash a back like ensure. So I say, well that. Can't say me not contribute to you. For sure. No, I mean I wouldn't tell a lie. Me don't know all ladies sit down and support World Dog shenanigans, but But Yanique, remember you cheat on him too. Huh? Huh? And I come at about a peer man, you know, like them a batty man, but a peer man, I no mind the woman them bring me down cause world again, know so the males are not with you. You there look the man them for stand up with you. Carl Swiss. I mind games him playing him so downs. But the best veneers, courtesy to Yanique, a fair money fix your teeth. Courtesy to Yanique. Courtesy to Yanique, your mouth supposed to stink no under the veneers. Cause when last you go dentist? When last you go dentist? Eh? Get in a veneers and under filter so your dentist, your veneers them can look white. Eh? When last you go dentist? Your mouth gonna smell like figure it out. Why figure it out coming on my mind? Figure it out, I'm sorry. What you Diamond say, you know? Diamond, you put me in a mix. Why you tell me say the boy mouth thing? Diamond, you put me in a mix. Diamond, me not trouble, you know? Imagine me singing start talk about world dog and figure it out come up in my mind. Oh, you mean world dog never tell nobody say she cheat? World dog came up and said that Yanique never yet cheat on him. Yanique a good girl. Every man cheat. You understand me? And all of a sudden now, Yanique are the worst thing. And Yanique, you see, let me tell you something. You see, men like world dog don't trust man will big you up when you mind them. Trust a boy will big you up when you not give them a shit. Never you trust a boy will big you up. You know some friends where you have to say, oh, I'm a friend. I'm a friend that. We're dead for them. 2 minutes later, you're fussy. I fussy that. Yes, never you trust them. You see, we will never understand. Alright. You see, growing up, I always tell myself 2 things in a life. It can't so hard for people not comfortable, which I didn't understand because you're young and naive. I'm always said to myself, say, some things when I hear with some people, me not have them friendly. You understand me? I'm live to see people shit in my mouth. Me all spit out tomato skin. You know? Like a minced beef. You think a joke? And a share time now, excuse me. She expired. And a share time now, bring the girl name over here. We not raise no dead. Me na mortician. Me not have the gift like Jesus to call back Lazarus. I only have that in my home. Yanique a mattress. It doesn't matter if she's a mattress. The whole we know says she's a mattress. Yes, she's a mattress. And so what? She's a mattress. You see, let me tell you this about us females. You see, we only can compare ourselves to a lady that is lower than us, as we believe. And we are not even high either. Because we not take men openly and change them openly. It doesn't say we are not the same. Some of we take and change man privately. You never know. So, in this case, we now go view our mattress ship. You understand me? Oh yes, she can be all the mattress she want. But always remember say, that man chose that mattress. Whether a Sealy Pastapedic, pillow top, or divan, or is a Start Life mattress. We all can say, yes, she is a mattress. But why did he choose such a mattress? When I look on that part, you know, why did you came out and defend such a mattress? Just make that resonate now. Go answer the question for me. Yeah, and him go all over breed the child. I remember when him used that mattress and hype on us on the app. So why should we sit down now in his case and talk and say she's a mattress? Then Apple a class Yanique too? Apple not class Yanique. Apple not class in Yanique. Apple is not class in Yanique. Apple can't so sensible. Don't tell the lie on the lady we keep the union. Apple isn't. I will stand up for Apple. She not class Yanique. No. Apple not class in Yanique. I will not listen. Blah, blah, black sheep on the treetop. When you come down, me I go lick in your cock. No. So now I understand why these women have to get certain treatment. Then Yanique, baby, then Yanique, then Apple man not put her out. Then Apple man can't not even want the baby bed in the bathroom. Then Apple really attack. Apple have a whole heap of sore. Apple really attack. Apple go look alive. Your time not come yet until next year. Look like you got broke for the whole of the year. Remember tax return you thief. Remember tax return you thief and mine man when I want you. You pick the wrong man. You should pick your image. Apple not for talk. Cause Apple walk and buy both man and company. Apple is a lonely girl. Only the lonely. Apple lonely. Apple lonely real bad. Real bad. And you come out attack Apple. And now what your man put out you and the baby. After you come to Jamaica, come get go be a man clean out your tube for you. Go breathe and get the boy the spirit. You did label your belly. J-Ray and him nephew. Cause you go get the boy coming in. So me not understand. Miss Bling enough to talk as a long time fair soldier man for come home and the picnic them furniture want change. Miss Bling in a big house with loose furniture. Miss Bling for rent a furnished apartment. From Miss Bling at the app until now. Until now, remember TikTok police she take off of the app you know. Remember she beg plane ticket you know. Remember Roger did have to buy Bling a food you know. Bling a come like so she take off her history shoes. Put on back your history slippers, Blinger. Put on back your history slippers. Cause you come a guani like your portion and know you can't cook in a kitchen. And know you can't cook in a kitchen. Cause remember say our government give you things. You could have never trick nobody pan the app, Blinger. Appear loose cannon attack. Any girl we pick up for World Dog, them a loose cannon. Me not tell no lie. Una loose cannon, Bling enough attack. None of them girl enough attack. Yeah, none of them enough attack. Una for just go in. Now who this a message me? I wonder if I'm boy. Yeah, una enough attack. A Yanique will say, and then when you don't say me 8 woman, una say me 8 woman. Una say me 8 woman when you done. Tell Apple for go beg a man pardon. The same way World Dog owe Yanique money as so Apple baby father owe she money too. And you really come out attack? Me not tell a lie. You're different. One Yanique never two. One Yanique never two. Me not ask you. But you have at soldier man Apple. And you wig them one. Douche! I want to see your wig and slap it with a brick. I want to massage your hairstyle with a stone. For sure, I want to massage your hairstyle with a stone. That I want to do. Nothing more. And it's just the truth. At first, I see World Dog on the upper big saying a style. World Dog a big so till him rotten. Thank you, Natalie. World Dog a big so till him a farm fool himself. Me just have to shake my head so. All I push up your dead dude in a camera, your blue pill, your honey pack. Eh? No, but no one that can't turn on up. I say World Dog when you push up your front in the camera, more and vomit. I don't know how my stomach gets so weak all of a sudden. It look like my stomach not like everybody, you know. It look like not everybody my stomach like. I say when World Dog push up in front in the camera, I say me want vomit because you don't see no print. World Dog your front favor pum pum. And that's why you love rain sound. Cause your front favor pum pum and the baby eyelid going in your butt, not your back. And your butt it going me not trust on you. See Rosalie says she push up the tree marching soldier. Where she says she push it up. Me not trust on the boy, you know. Cause I'm a little bit freaky. Yeah, sometimes I wonder if I'm not R. Kelly. Yeah. No print not in your pants front, no print. All the Yanique, I want box up Yanique when I see you push your front up in the camera. And everything for breed with, you know. And everything for breed with, God know. Because I like that could breed me. That would have to wear behind my ears. Yeah, behind my ears. It's like when you put the World Dog ears dirty. Speaking of that, World Dog your ears one clean. Jesus have mercy and push up your face in the phone and World Dog in a beard and use your rag and clean out your ears. Mr. World Dog push up him face in the phone. And when me looking at World Dog ears like light gone. And that the filter your ears dirty, you know. No, it's true. World dog, you not beard well. You not beard well. Your ears dirty. No, thank you very much, Queen. World dog, your ears dirty. I want to report me live. And you want your nipple for sucker, your ears want clean? Well, dog, you can wash out your ears, you know. You can, when you're beard, you can soap up in your ears. Behind your ears where you rest the spliff. And you can't dash with a spliff tail there. Well, that things now go on good at foreign, man. Hold on there, Muta so come to you. Hold on there, me I look out. Looking out on the morning rain. A whom I used to feel so uninspired. No. Well, like little ears one. What kind of man some girl out there take?
Anytime.
And you talk about that little ear she that pick out of your face? How many more blood finger go on here so? Then is world dog that? Yanique, is that your man? I'm just asking. Is that your man? Don't say yes. Don't say yes. Do not say. Is that your man? Don't say yes. Don't say yes. Then wait, lie y'all push down. Jesus. Jesus. But for me, I see him still know him nasty. I did say it already. Man like that will love gyrate, love sweat. World dog wear sweat like clothes. Him wear sweat like it's an award him get. You can imagine? She be slippers nice. Are the old slippers in the stop where go to road? Cause me can't remember too comfortable. No, me not understand for true. Then you can imagine, and every man with a big up. Some things not for breed way. Well, like could that tell me say, babes, you know me love you. I may believe. It's in the slippers go get shade. Lord, no combo shade today, no. No combo shade today. I wanna make Queenie eat me in the background, and I wanna people make Queenie eat me in the background. She be a tongue pierce, yeah, like your bottom too. Yeah, go like your bottom na pierce. Your bottom na pierce. Your bottom inspired my mouth. Yes, my love. Me say me hear enough people on the app, enough man on the app want pick up for World Dog. I know the only reason why they might pick up for World Dog are because them people say they might get great recognition and people are going to go into the comment and say, I like this, I love this. Yes, girl, you talk truth. I want to come out, come ball, oh man, do no. I know what funny. You say all that who pick up for World Dog, shame for come out, come ball, Roxanne. Say man, I do them bad. You know that Roxy? Them afraid for come out, come ball, say man, I do them bad. Why, Roxanne? Eh? Why? Because them shame. No give bling on a highlight, cause fear man at TikTok police. No give on a highlight. Cause you know long bling a soldier man for come home. You know how long me I wonder if him dead in the war. You know how long bling a soldier man for come home. Bling a walk and tell pure life on the app. That's why she drop her all of her hairstyle him. Oh. You don't see it? You know how long bling a man for come home? She have to pick up for World Dog after she don't want World Dog come tell her the truth about foreign and how she has survived and I pick them. Eh? Me say bling a husband, bling a soldier man real like 25. Bling a soldier man real. Me wonder if I bling a soldier man me I call 25. Me just a fear wonder if I bling a soldier man me I call 25. It's true. Right now, World Dog want beg me for ease off of him. Me not ease off of you till Yanique match done. You have a day to go. You have a day to go. No, too cute. I would class, too cute, you know. I would wrap up too cute on this, you know. Too cute. I would lift up my clothes and show the stretch mark them from my belly, you know. Why? Lord Jesus. Too cute you rub me, no? Me don't know if boy like that could have look me. Me don't know what them girl are taking them all. So me know my all hotter than enough girl all. You mad? You mad? You not even have money for me ignore your looks and focus by your pocket and lay down and depend. What me I do to myself? Bring the money come. Yeah? Yeah, you're not even cute. You're not even have it. Hmm? You not have it. I paid, you know, sister, tea bag, wet tea bag. If me have a tea bag right now, me dip in some water and show now. I want it dip in the water and dry. So all of the wrinkle coming out, all of the quailness. Move from here so with the belly button in the underpants. Move and take your navel out of my face. I mean, it's a world dog body full of skin. A Pings and Pablos. At the cloth store. Who know Pings and Pablos at Jamaica? Me is a world dog body full of skin. Then world dog never have no matter for clip it. World dog beg bigs clip it. Beg bigs. If bigs can't secure, you make him secure this. So to begs bigs. Bigs can't clip it. Bigs not do tailoring. If you know the tailoring, he must do dressmaking. Begs big, just beg bigs clip that. Give him the weed scissors. I didn't body the girl like once over. I didn't body they have one nipple kiss and ear pluck. No man, you're loud. You're loud. Oh my days. Your ear surgery. No, it's true. No, Swiss busy. Bigs are near reach. No, but don't lie me I tell. But you want rain sound and your cocky full of skin. Skin over that and wash it good, you know. Put some sod pan that, and if you don't have sod, use dishwashing liquid. Cause boy, I use that for lubricant. Use dishwashing liquid. Get that soddy, man. Me just feel so world dog name catches still. Me just feel so. I feel so the boy they eat catches. But look at the prettiest veneers on the app. Your veneer and the filter. Your veneer and the filter. Show with the liquor and weed stain for your veneers, cause you not brush teeth, cause your mouth can't take long for sod. Your mouth can't take long for sod. Your mouth corner want to use the towel where you use from the fly wipe your mouth corner. It's true. Of course, all of them yam crutches. All of them yam crutches cause them impotent. Yeah, all of them. World Dog could have never talk to me because World Dog tongue favor Rosalie own. White like Annie front. White. White like Annie front. Your tongue whiter than your veneers, World Dog. And it's just the truth. I wouldn't tell a lie upon you. Cause me I try to speak the truth from now on cause the world's soon done. Yeah, it's just the truth. With your knock knee, you shape like one VW. You shape like one Cherry QQ. You shape like one underfit. Me not in the lie World Dog. Your pants won't look like ladder. Ancient. Yeah? Ancient. I mean, no one real and I go and suffer. Me no know one kick up. Me no know if me could have looked upon you and my nature stand up. Me no know if me could have looked upon him and my nature ignite. Me that beat my body. Me that beat my body. I make my body report me for child abuse. Me that beat my body. Stand up for who? Stand up for who? Are you shaped like a underfit? Me not tell no lie. World Dog shaped like a underfit. I kid you not. You think a joke? Me no know how some man hype say no. Me no know how some girl get some boy string. That's why when time I go road and I see boy and them a profile. Me no look on them, you know. Me no look on them because the hottest set a boy them nipple green.
You want this?
I want it. The hottest set a boy them nipple green. Because a whole heap of hot boy me know them a laundromat them beard. You want to see them? No care all the time at them now go underwater like water did box out them breaks when them a go to school and them have up water in them adulthood. Now ask you. Yeah. The attested boy nipple green. A pure laundromat bath them take. Pure laundromat. Quick and fast. With the rag wipe your neck like them have flu. Yeah, enough boy go and girl and hear with them say, yo, Masu come, me go bust a piece. You not bust a piece, you gonna wash off your dick. Yeah, you gonna wash off your dick by the time the boy take off him. Me see the boy clothes smell of Tom Ford. The boy shirt smell of Tom Ford down to him marina. Down to him marina. Like Tom Ford that play a World Cup on it. But you see, as you touch him nipple sock, feel like you're a purge. Too much dust off of the nipple. Too much dust on the nipple. Your nipple green. I'm not going like on a portion or nothing. I see some big woman sit down, you know. But Yanique, you lose that one, yeah. You lose that one, yeah. Yanique, you don't lose shit. You don't lose nothing. Because when you get over world dog, you're going to eat your all. It goes so with enough of we, girl. We take some man and we go all out for them. And you see the moment the relationship done and forgotten, we look at ourselves and we say, Jesus, what was I doing to myself? Why am I doing this to myself? Yeah. Me now ask you no. So enough of them girls will sit down and I pick up for world dog. Tell them to call them first, man. Tell them to call the boy will walk out upon them. They can't do it. I give them a challenge, they can't. Yeah, Yanique still have a whole and it active and productive. And your body need a reach. Amazing grace. How sweet the sound. It's just that it never saved the rich in your underpants. And it's not a lie. It's just that it never saved the rich in your underwear. Had that catch you know? Yeah. You think I lie? A peer wig a slide off her head. Me have to catch one girl wig today. A peer wig a drop off her head. Peer wig, me no know who melt on them lace in the summer. Me say to oh each wave a beat hairstyle. Me say the girl them a sweating at them mole. Me love. The girl them just a sweating at them mole so. Me say the wig them just a slide and wine. Me say I can't believe it is true. Everything just a melt. You know, wear cap. Wear cap. Me say every wig a sweat. Me say people are bop and things a fly. Me don't know what this in the summer yeah. People are bop and things a fly. The things them will come off of the girl them eyelash a drone. You that think a drone is zoom, zoom, zoom. For true. Eh? See this man say right now, them ear just blow out. It's true. It's just the truth. No girl can at in the summer, yes, so Roxanne. No girl Roxanne can at in the summer, yeah. Me say everything a slide and wine. Me love me if I catch one girl ear. Yeah, oops! Me say no oops, I melt. Yeah. Yeah. Me not say oops, I melt. Me say everything just a go. You just pick me up back winter. Pick up winter cause right now a barber shop I go make the money. Give me an outline and a shine. Yeah. Beat me head like a monk. And people love the braids in the summer too. I'm sorry for all the braids. Them supposed to full of fine bump around here so. Them supposed to do them here with amins powder. For sure, all the eyelash them a drop off. My fusion blow gun.